Oil is extending gains on Tuesday with the Brent reaching $34 per barrel. Traders are now focused on the upcoming video conference between OPEC Plus members. On Forex, risk appetite is growing, what pushes the US dollar down. Emerging market currencies, including the Russian ruble, are trading in the positive territory. In the mid-session, the ruble gained near 0.7% against the US dollar. Market participants hope that during the meeting on Thursday, Russia and Saudi Arabia will stop blaming each other and will finally agree on production cuts. However, both oil producers expect the United States to join the deal. Meanwhile, Donald Trump does not seem eager to enter an agreement. He said that oil production in the United States reduced automatically due to low demand and market instability. The parties seem to realize the importance of the New Deal on output cuts, as it may help stabilize the energy market. Neither Russia nor Saudi Arabia or the United States needs low crude prices, so hopefully they will all come to an agreement in the near future. Traders' optimism is rising on these expectations, and the oil market is gradually becoming bullish. Brent prices may surge to as high as $39 or $41 per barrel if the New Deal is reached. Analysts believe that the United States has a key role in the OPEC Plus negotiations. Today, Brent oil futures were trading above $34 per barrel, but later the price pulled back slightly. In the early trade, Brent crude settled at $33.40. WTI futures gained more than 4% in the morning, but the rise slowed down later in the day. At the moment, West Texas Intermediate is trading at $26.86 per barrel. As we predicted yesterday, the dollar-ruble pair managed to enter the level of 75. Today, the ruble is gaining ground amid positive situation in the oil market since long positions on oil prevailed in the morning session. The ruble also benefited from the rise in emerging market currencies. If this scenario persists, the Russian currency may continue to move higher against its American counterpart. The dollar-ruble pair opened the trade in the positive territory. In the early session, the US dollar retreated to 75.50 and below. The American currency will remain under pressure in case oil attempts to hit new local highs. In this scenario, the pair will face a correctional decline to the level of 75, which now serves as a nearest level of support. The ruble was last seen trading at this point on March 17. The dollar bulls may fight back and try to hold at this level. Then a rebound is highly possible. On Monday, the ruble strengthened against the US dollar despite falling oil prices. The dollar-ruble pair closed yesterday's trade with 0.6% losses, having retreated to the level of 76. Obviously, the ruble is being supported by several different factors. Rising oil prices and improving sentiment in the markets contributed to the ruble's growth. In addition, foreign currency interventions introduced by the Central Bank of Russia added to the positive dynamics of the ruble. Besides, the imports have sharply dropped amid travel and transportation restrictions, and demand for foreign currency in Russia has fallen as well. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.